Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show how to make the most delicious coconut rice ever. So if you are new here, this is Boulder's Kitchen and my name is Sharon. Thank you for joining us. To begin, the first thing you need is the coconut, because we are going to extract the coconut milk from fresh coconuts. So we're going to deshell it and then blend everything. If you want to see a video of how to extract coconut milk, you can check out my previous video on my channel, because I made a video on how to do it the easy way. You guys, make sure you blend the coconut very smooth so that the extraction process will be very easy. So just transfer it to a sieve and then squeeze out all the coconut milk and set aside. Then we're going to marinate the shrimp with some seasoning and then mix everything together. Also add a little coconut milk if you want, because that's what gives it that coconut flavor, because of course we're cooking coconut rice, why not? Then mix everything and set it aside to marinate. Then we cut the chicken breast into tiny shrimps, rather tiny stripes, and then mix it with some seasoning. This is ginger, garlic, onions powder, and then this seasoning that comprises of chicken stock, salt, pepper, and of course some coconut milk. After that, we mix everything together and set it aside to marinate for some time. Then we go ahead to cook the turkey. We're going to cook the turkey with any seasoning of your choice, ginger, garlic, onions powder, and then add some curry, basil. I'm going to show you how it looks. This is how the pada was made, with basil, thyme, savory, rosemary, and some curry. And then I'm going to add the coconut milk and cook it until it's very soft. But while it's cooking, we're going to go ahead to prepare the vegetables. This is me slicing the onions. After the onions, I'm going to slice the other vegetables. Once the turkey is fried, I'm just going to remove it from the oil and set it aside. Then in a work pan, I'm going to stir fry the shrimps, the marinated shrimps. I'm going to stir fry it, and once it's ready, just remove it from the pan and go ahead and add the marinated chicken breast, and also repeat the same process for it. after that, we are going to go ahead to cook the rice using the stock from the turkey. So I'm adding this yummy rich coconut cream, then just mix everything to combine very well, and then we're going to season this mixture before adding the rice. So I added salt and some chicken seasoning. You can use Maggi, you can use bouillon cubes, the choice. Mix everything to combine, and then you can add some pepper powder if you just off camera. Then once it's boiling like this, we're just going to go ahead and add washed rice to this mixture. So this is me adding the rice now. After adding the rice, I'm still going to add some water so that we'll be able to cook the rice until it's very, very soft, because you don't want to eat hard food, right? So once I mix everything now, I'm going to add the water I used to rinse the coconut milk. This is the water I got from rinsing the coconut shaft second time, so it still has some coconut flavor in it. Added it, and I'm going to cover the pot and allow it to cook until the water is dried and the rice is soft, because that's what we're looking for. So it's been cooking for some time now. I came to check it and I noticed the rice is still hard, so I added a little water and mixed everything, and then allow it to cook some more. So this water should be able to make it soft, and once it's ready, we just set it aside and we go ahead to stir fry the vegetables that we have sliced. Now it's time to stir fry the vegetables. In a wok pan, I'm going to add very little amount of coconut oil, and then I'm going to add the sliced onions and the sliced carrots. Stir fry for just like 30 seconds, because I believe the carrot is way harder than the green beans, so I decided to add the carrot first and just stir fry a little bit for like 30 seconds, and then we're going to add the green beans and the remaining of the vegetables. Once everything is added, I added very little amount of seasoning to it so that it can have some taste, and then just mix. After mixing, we're going to add everything in the rice. So this is the yummy rice that was cooked in coconut milk. The look is so appetizing, and this rice, believe me, it was so delicious. If you get to try out this recipe, just let me know in the comments and tell me how it went. If you enjoy it, just let me know. So I'm just going to go ahead to mix everything, but before mixing, I decided to take some of the rice that was cooked in coconut milk. I decided to take some of it because I don't want the part with vegetables. So after that, I'm just going to combine everything together, and there we have it. Most delicious rice, the most delicious rice recipe you've ever tried. So once I mix everything, now next I'm going to add the chicken, the stir-fried chicken breast and the shrimp. So I'll add it when I finish mixing the vegetables. So guys, the chicken and shrimps is inside now. The next thing is to add the spring onions. After that, we just mix and serve. The rice is ready. You can adjust, you can check if you want to add a little bit of salt, you can still add, but I believe everything is perfect, so it's ready to serve. This rice is a very special delicacy in Nigerian homes. You don't just cook coconut rice on a daily basis because of the process involved in preparing preparation. It's usually cooked on special occasion like Christmas Day, New Year Day, New Year Eve, birthdays, anniversaries. That's when we usually cook this special coconut rice. But some other people can just cook it on any day, your choice. So it's ready. You know how we cook, you know how we do it. Just serve in different plates and everybody take theirs. The rice, it was super delicious. It's healthy because of the vegetables too, and the rich yummy taste of creamy coconut cream in your food. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to check out my other videos on this channel. I share Nigerian food, African food recipes, easy low budget street food, Nigerian street food, healthy drinks to cleanse your body, to detox your system. I also do fruit food mukbang, African food mukbang on this channel. Please share, like, and leave a comment. See you on my next one.